everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Backyard Bushcraft.
And on this episode, we've got another exciting challenge for Kyle. What I'm going to do, Kyle, is I'm going to blindfold you, take you off into the woods, leave you there with just this bag of supplies. Now, in there is a map to a hidden treasure. And that hidden treasure, I'm sorry to say, is one of your axes that we stole.
Oh, come on.
So if you want it back, you're going to have to find it.
Challenge accepted. Let's see how I get on.
Okay, so we have arrived at the area where we're going to leave Kyle. Kyle, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling pretty good.
Hang on, sorry. There you go.
Yeah, confused, but good.
Good. We're going to leave you with, you've got your bag of stuff. We're going to leave you with the camera, so make sure you record it. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you now.
Before it gets dark.
Before it gets dark.
Nice. Guys? Guys? Hello? Oh, man. Let's see what we got. Selfie cam. Right. Let's see what they've left me with. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. I'll be back. Self-filming is hard. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at this. A cup. Almost full bottle of water. Oh, nice. A very well made map. What is this? Oh, it's a magnet. Oh, yeah. A magnet. Sewing kit. Oh. A ferro rod. Nice. And a pot. Hey, look. They left me lunch. Cool. Well, seeing what they left me, I think I know what they want me to do. I'm going to take these things and I'm going to build a compass and start following this map. Let's see if I can get my axe back. Okay, so I'm going to quickly build a compass. Take my cup of water, find a nice bit of flat ground. Don't lose that, that's important. A little bit of water in it. Didn't spill a drop. Then, using this sewing kit, one needle and a magnet, and take the magnet and run the needle across it in one direction, and that's going to magnetize the needle so that it points along the north-south line. And that'll allow me to orientate myself on my map. That ought to do it. I need a leaf. Okay. Let's see if I can. Let me just adjust the camera, because I'm such a camera guy. And then rest that on there. And then, if I spin the needle around, if it always points the same direction, then we'll know it's orientating itself on the north-south line. And that looks like it's working perfectly to me. That means I know that this line here is the north-south line. This would be east-west line. So I can use that to orientate myself and figure out where I'm going next. So, I'm all packed up. I'm ready to go. Chosen a spot on the horizon in the direction I want to go. Let's go find my axe. So I've been walking for a while now. I'm pretty hungry, so I reckon it's about time I make a fire and cook the lunch the guys gave me. Let's get to it. Best snack ever. So I've had my snack, I've put up my fire with that bottle of water that they gave me, and now it's time for me to crack on with my journey. But I'm a little bit confused as to why there's an aeroplane on the map. Anyway,
See you soon.
Okay, so as I said before, we took Kyle's axe. What I didn't tell Kyle is that we're gonna lay a bit of a booby trap for him. So let's see if he'll fall for it. Okay, so we're almost ready. We've got our log set in the tree. And in case you haven't figured out what's gonna happen yet, is we're gonna leave a nice loop on the floor, covered in this grass. It's gonna be right next to Kyle's axe, which is just here. And we're gonna set a very simple trigger to keep it all held together, so that when he sets it off, he'll release the trigger and get hoisted up into the tree. Let's see what happens.
Didn't expect that, but at least I know I'm on the right track.
So I definitely think I'm getting pretty... I got my axe, bye! Yeah, we caught him! We trapped ourselves a Kyle. Kyle, how you feeling?
What is happening?
Guys, thanks for joining us for another episode of Backyard Bushcraft. Next week's going to be all about traps, which Kyle is thoroughly enjoying at the moment. And we'll see you next time, guys. Say bye, Kyle.
Bye. Can you let me down now?